is Murderous Bunnies. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get it started. Hi, I'm Boris the Boring Elephant, and I'm playing with the baby dog. This is a video about me, and only me. Now, if you would like to say Boris is awesome, then you can join my video. No, Boris, you're not awesome. Boris is not awesome, bro. Evil bunnies take over the world. Evil bunnies take over the world. You can't say nothing about it, 'cause evil bunnies will rule. Rule, I tell you. Let's see who our next victim is. Hello, I'm painting my eggs, just doing my own thing. Yeah, I know this is odd, but I'm just trying to tell the world that Easter's awesome. No, it's not. Evil bunnies. Evil bunnies. Let's take over your world. This broadcast was brought to you by evil bunnies. Bye! Before I kill you, you better leave. You better leave. You better leave. Wash.